Alright guys, I am here with a different approach, different kind of thing right now. This is a John Deere lawnmower, as you can see. Basically I'm just doing this repair for a friend of mine. This is one of my passion, never really utilize it here. So the problem I'm having here right now is a carburetor. So I checked it out recently and the problem was really with the carburetor. Each time I start it, shut off. I have to basically prime it in the sense that what I do, I remove the carburetor first, put some fuel down there, start it, it kicks off, but just keep on shutting off. I clean this one here, everything, nothing. So the end result is the carburetor wasn't good. So we got this one, and guess what? We paid $20 for it. You get a spark plug, we get a lock-off valve, and a new filter, which I've just put it on right here, as you can see. And I'm gonna basically just take it off back, cut the line, put on this on it, so you can have, this is a pump. So just put on this. One thing I must point out to you, the connector that comes with it, it's right here. You have to change it, so that's why you see this right here. So I change it. Just need to connect it now and put on this thing here. All right, so just gonna put it on. All right, so whoops, just gonna put it on. You don't want to tighten it too much. Should be good enough. And this is the breather. You want to make sure that it's in. And then I'm just gonna connect this. This is a solenoid switch. Just gonna push it up in it. Alright, so right now I just put on the valve, the shut-off valve. So I'm gonna cut this a little shorter so this can adjust and work. Alright, so guys, whenever you connect this, make sure that the arrow pointed to that direction. The filter is the same thing. Alright, now I'm gonna turn it on. Alright, so I'm gonna start it now. Guys, I'm gonna give it one more shot.